Hey everyone, David here again with another quick unboxing here. This time it's on the Michel Germain line, Séxual. I have a full review of this line. If you want to go watch it, I'll have a link up here. You can go and watch the full review. But I just want to do a quick unboxing. Of course, I've already taken off the plastic wrap of these because I've already tried these. But I thought I'd like to show the presentation up close. Here's the first one. This is Séxual pour Homme. This is the original one. Fairly simple box on the outside. I do actually really like these bottles. I think they did a really good job here. They have like a little donut, toroid almost shape here, and I think that's pretty cool. The top looks expensive, though it's just plastic. You can just take it off real quick. And the sprayer is actually it's pretty good. Here's Séxual Noir pour Homme. Similar box. This is just kind of a matte black. And here's the bottle. It's a little hard to read here, but you can see Noir down here. All right, and Séxual has a Séxual Paris line. The Paris line is kind of a flanker from the Séxual line itself, and it distinguishes itself a little bit by the box color design, so yeah, a little bit different here. Similar bottle, but the top is glossy instead of being matte like the other ones. I don't know if you can see it here, but the top has the word Séxual right there engraved on it. That's a cool little detail there. And the last one is Séxual Paris Tender. Here it is, beautiful blue bottle. And that is it. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't watched the review, you can go and watch it up there. Until next time, I'll see you later. I'm Dave with Fragrance Bros. Bye.